Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at finding the volume of a prism. So the volume of a solid is the amount of space that it occupies. Volume is measured in cubic units because you're really counting how many cubes would fit inside the shape. We use a capital V for volume, a capital B for the base area, and H for the height of the prism. Remember, the height of the prism is the distance between the two bases. The volume of any prism is given by the formula V equals base area times height. So that formula works for any kind of prism. The volume of a prism is the product of the area of the base and the height of the prism. So it works for a rectangular prism, triangular prism, any kind of prism. We have one formula for volume, base area times height. So find the volume of the rectangular prism. So I'm going to start by writing my formula. Volume equals base area times height. The base area is the area of the bottom rectangle. So the base area is 6 by 8. And we're going to multiply that by the height, which is 15. Use my calculator to multiply it out. We get 720 yards cubed. Okay, our next example, find the volume of the cube. Let's the exact same formula, base area times height. But now you can really shorten this formula a little bit for a cube because every single edge is 5. So it's really the same as doing 5 cubed. Multiply it out. Gives me 125 centimeters cubed. Okay, a triangular prism. So our formula is still volume equals base area times height of the prism. But now for the base area, we have to find the area of, remember, the base is a triangle here. So my base area is 1/2 times 5 5/10 times the height of the triangle, which they're telling me is 2. So that amount that I just wrote in green is the base area. And then I multiply it by the height of the prism, which is how far apart the two triangles are. So the height of the prism is 4. So now I multiply it out. Half of 2 is 1 times 5 5/10 would be 5 5/10 times 4 gives me 22 inches cubed. Find the volume of the triangular prism. Okay, so same process, volume equals base area times height. The base area is the area of the triangle that I just outlined. Because it's a right triangle, it's 1/2 times the height of the triangle is 5. The base of the triangle is 12. The height of the prism is 9. The height of the prism is how far apart the two triangles are. So now I multiply it out. Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 9 would be 270 meters cubed. Find the volume of the pentagonal prism. So again, I have my same formula, volume equals base area times height. And you might be thinking, how am I going to find that base area when I have a pentagon? We don't have a formula for area of a pentagon. But when you look more closely at the picture, they give you that base area. So they already found that work for us. We just have to apply it. So we're doing 43 times 15. Use my calculator to multiply it out. It gives me 645 millimeters cubed. Okay, and our last example, find the volume of the hexagonal prism. So again, I'm going to start with my formula. Volume equals base area times height. We're lucky because, again, they found the base area for us. So it's 166 times the height of the prism is 20. Use my calculator to multiply that out. We get 3,320 feet cubed. I hope this video helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.